In this video, you'll learn how to obtain your 1099 form from eBay. This process is essential for sellers to ensure accurate tax reporting and compliance with financial regulations. Start by signing into your eBay account using your usual login credentials. Ensure you are logging into your seller account, as this is where your tax documents are located. Once logged in, you will be directed to your seller dashboard, where you can view your earnings and transaction history. Next, navigate to the payments or account settings area within the dashboard. Look for the section specifically related to tax forms or financial statements. This area is crucial for accessing the necessary documentation for tax purposes. Once you find it, you will see options related to tax documents, including the 1099 form if you meet the reporting thresholds. After locating the tax documents section, select the document for the appropriate year you require. It is important to review the information displayed to ensure it aligns with your transaction records. Most platforms, including eBay, allow you to download the form as a PDF file, which can be useful for saving or printing later. Once you have found the correct document, proceed to download the file to your computer or device. Keeping a copy of this form is essential when preparing your tax return. Carefully review the form to confirm that the reported earnings are accurate. If you identify any discrepancies, it is advisable to contact eBay's support team, as maintaining accurate records is vital for financial reporting. The final step involves sharing the downloaded form with your tax professional if necessary. This ensures that all financial information is correctly represented during your tax preparation process. Having this document readily available will streamline your tax filing experience, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.